Welcome to the Cypress, a floor plan here in Fulsher Lakes built by History Maker Homes. This home features a unique farmhouse exterior, a charming front porch, and an extended patio perfect for family gatherings and entertaining. As you enter the home, you'll be greeted by a spacious entryway that leads to the open concept living area. The living room is the perfect spot for a family gathering or entertaining guests with plenty of natural light. At over 2,900 square feet, this home has 5 bedrooms, 4 full baths, a powder room, and a 3-car garage. The kitchen boasts beautiful quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances, and a large island with plenty of room for meal prep and storage. The adjacent dining area is perfect for family dinners or casual get-togethers. The master suite is located here on the first floor and features a luxurious master bathroom with a large walk-in shower and a soaking tub. Upstairs, you'll find a spacious game room, perfect for a media or playroom. There are also 3 additional bedrooms, each with its own walk-in closet and access to a bathroom. The backyard is a great place to relax and enjoy the Texas sunshine with an extended covered patio and plenty of room for outdoor activities. If you're interested in making Fulsher, Texas your home, give me a call to schedule a tour of the Cypress Model and explore all that Fulsher Lakes has to offer.